Alrighty, traders, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, and welcome to the morning coffee session, which is not, by the way, morning. If you are watching this live right now, you'll notice that it is not the morning session. It is actually evening session here on a Monday evening. We didn't hold the session this morning, but we're going to go ahead and catch up right now. We had a couple of things that took priority over this morning coffee session. I know. You're probably saying, are you kidding me? Yes, it did. But in any case, here we are, ready to rock and roll again at the start of the week to check out and see exactly what the markets are doing this week and what opportunities are left for us to go ahead and trade. We got a trader in the house. I didn't expect anyone to be in the house this morning. This evening, because we're a little bit out of schedule. We normally have this in the early morning. Well, in any case, CK, good morning, and how are you, my friend? Good to have you in the room this evening. And we do have a bunch of traders coming in slowly, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and get started this evening and take a look and see exactly what's going on. You probably see I'm catching a very good tan at the moment right now. Here in Florida, it is extremely, extremely warm. Hopefully, everyone that are fathers enjoyed Father's Day this week. And for those that celebrated with their fathers, happy Father's Day for them too as well. It certainly was a good weekend for me. Spent the time with the family this weekend, and also got to play some golf as well. So it was a great weekend and a great time with the family, especially with the kids. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on this evening as we prepare for the week. And the first thing we want to go ahead and do is pull up the document. This document is, of course, found in the description. You see, last week we had 0 trading opportunities last week. Although we closed out with 3,200 pips last week alone, we captured 3,200 pips. This week is a new week, and we're going to go ahead and address it that way too. So let's go ahead and get started. So today is the 22nd. I'm going to go ahead and create another document right here. And it's going to duplicate this one right here, except this now is the 22nd. So let's go ahead and put that in. And that's 22nd. We didn't carry over any trades, so this is all going to be cleaned out right there. And then we're going to go ahead and clear that out. Also going to go ahead and clear that out as well. All right, so we've got a few still holding position from the previous weeks, but this week, let's start off and take a look and see what's going on. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, I do have my cup of coffee. It cannot be a trading session without a cup of coffee, right? It has to be. All right, whether you wake up in the morning, you got to grab a cup of coffee, or if you're going to be able to get into the early evenings, grab a cup of coffee. Some of you may go ahead and splash a little, you know what I mean, right? Yeah, you know what I mean. All right. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and take a look, see what's going on right here. So let's get back into the grind and take a look and see what's going on right here. Hey, Mike, how you doing, buddy? Let's go take a look and see what's going on. Okay. Starting off at the top, Euro, we're going to go to the Euro Aussie dollar. Now, before I get into the Euro Aussie dollar, let's take a look and see what's happening with this week's fundamentals. We got, or at least we had some Canadian data coming out this morning. We had Bank of Canada governor that spoke, and that was at 11 a.m. this morning. We also have some flash PMI coming out for the Eurozone tomorrow morning, very early in the morning. Then when we have tomorrow evening, we got the official cash rate. Hey, listen here. If you guys are going to stick around tomorrow evening, I may go ahead and have a live session on this tomorrow evening. The official cash rate, they're expecting to keep the rates unchanged at 0.25%. I'm really interested to find out how this news report is going to affect the market, because I'm in on the Euro New Zealand dollar, and I certainly want to check out and see exactly how that pair sits, or at least deals with the news. I'm expecting weaker New Zealand dollar, of course, absolutely, because I'm expecting a rally in Euro New Zealand dollar. We'll check out the news tomorrow evening and possibly a live session going on, and go ahead and check out and see what's going on. For those that can stick around at 10 p.m. tomorrow. All right. Well, let's go ahead and take a look right here. All right, Aaron says here, and I'm going to call him AA Ron. That's a private joke. AA Ron. AA Ron says, how do I get the spreadsheet, the Excel spreadsheet? This document that I just showed you can be found in the description in the video. Check out the description in the video. There's a link there. You can be able to click onto that link and get that document or get access to that document. So let's go ahead and take a look at, I think that's about all we've got with regards to fundamentals this week. We've got nothing Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So heading into a technical week from Wednesday onwards. Between now and Tuesday, of course, we have got some fundamentals, but then everything else is going to be technical. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what's happening with the euro, Aussie dollar, and from a technical perspective, what do we expect? What can we expect? Listen here. If you look at the euro Aussie dollar, it's a no-brainer with the market sitting at the support level right here, expecting price to move up higher. So I'm going to say that still looking for euro Aussie to move north. Now, like we do every week, at the start of the week on Mondays, we look for opportunity. This week, there's going to be no opportunity to trade the euro Aussie dollar, but I'll be interested to see if price can maintain itself above the pivot points. And if it is going to stay above the pivot points, we may be bullish on the euro Aussie dollar. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get to my document right here. So this week is a hit target. No trading opportunity on that. Let's go ahead and continue. The Aussie CAD, hit opportunity. Let's go to Euro JPY. Euro JPY, hit opportunity. Let's move on to Euro New Zealand dollar. Euro New Zealand dollar, hit opportunity. Wow, let's move to Euro Pound. Euro Pound, low probability trade right here. It looks like price may go ahead and hit that before. So let's go ahead and mark this off right here. All of these are hit targets. This one is an unhit, but it is going to be creating a low probability trading opportunity right here. So we're looking for a, looks like a bearish alert as price goes higher. But again, according to this right here, it looks like we may hit price before we get into an overbought condition. All right, let's take a look at the euro US dollar. Hit target on the euro US dollar right here. No trading opportunity on that. Let's go to the pound crosses. All right, we got pound set up right here. We've got pound Canadian and low probability on pound Canadian. Let's go ahead and update here. So that's an unhit target, penning, looking for a bullish alert, and it's going to be a low probability. All right, low probability. Price is probably going to hit that target before we can get an opportunity in this week. So let's take a look and see what else we got here. Pound. Let's go to pound JPY. Hit opportunity or hit target. Let's go to pound New Zealand dollar. Pound New Zealand dollar looks like price is working its way back up to the target. We're going to call this a low probability too. So pound New Zealand, it's unhit target, penny position, and another low probability right here. All right, we're looking for a bullish alert. All right, but as you can see right here, price is already starting to work its way back up north. Let's go to pound Aussie dollar. And pound Aussie dollar is working its way up. Looks like we probably have this also as a low probability. Are you kidding me? So unhit target, penny position, looking for a bullish alert, but very possible that price is going to hit this target before we get in on that. Let's go to pound US dollar. All right, pound US dollar. Pound US dollar at the moment right now is a hit target. We did see price trying to get into an oversold, but nothing there. So this is a hit target on pound US dollar. So that's a hit target right here. Let's go to Aussie crosses. And Aussie, let's start with Aussie JPY. Aussie JPY, hit target. Let's go to Aussie New Zealand dollar. Aussie New Zealand dollar is also going to be a hit target. Aussie New Zealand. Let's go to Aussie US. Sorry, this is going to be Aussie New Zealand dollar. That's what I've just done. Sorry. Let's go to Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD's a hit target too. Wow. Let's go to Aussie US dollar. Aussie US dollar's a hit target. Let's go to New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD's a hit target. Woo! US dollar CAD. What? A hit target too this week. And that's it. We're done. Everything else was a hit target. So we got hit target on all the Aussie crosses. Nothing there. And then both these right here, New Zealand CAD and US dollar CAD, also hit target. So we've only got a few pairs out of the pound crosses and then one euro pound that is setting up for a trading opportunity. And as you can see right here, if you take a look and see what's going on right here, it looks like we're expecting some pound rally this week. And the reason why I'm expecting that is because all of the unhit targets on the pound are looking for bullish alerts. All right. So this gives me an overall sense that there's a possibility that we could see some rally in the in the pound crosses this week. You know what? Let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of things right here. And I'm going to jump into the US dollar. This is dollar index. And I'm going to take a look at dollar index, how it's set up technically here. So we had a little bit of a dip down in last week's trading. So this could be just a dip before the rally. Expect some stronger US dollar. Once again, stronger US dollar, weaker JPY. Stronger JPY, stronger Swiss franc. Could that be something that we'd be looking for right here? Weaker. No. Okay. That might not be. Okay, I'm trying to figure out right here. I'm just working out the numbers in my head here. So, that means if we're going to get stronger US dollar, that means that we are looking at safe haven currency pairs getting stronger. So JPY we're getting stronger. I don't like that because that means pound JPY will be heading south. Aussie JPY will be heading south. That's good. I like that because I'm in a couple of sells on Aussie JPY. Swiss will get stronger as well. That means pound Swiss, Euro Swiss, Aussie Swiss will all be selling off. Let's take a look and see what else we've got going here. Oil, US oil. We're finally breaking above that $38 a barrel right here. I think that was the previous high. Let's take a look right here. The high was at, actually it was at 40.41. And we're trading slightly above that right now. So US oil getting stronger, chasing after that $42 gap that broke through over the weekend. We're starting to fill up the gap right here. And if we do get a little higher, we're going to test that $42 support there. If we get that to that $42 support, could we see a sell-off on US dollar or at least US oil? And that's what we're probably going to be looking for right here. We're looking for a little bit of a sell-off on US oil. It's either going to do that or it's going to go ahead and rally above the market price. So it's going to go ahead and do this, then come back. It'll probably test those lows, then come back to support again, and then start rallying back up to $66. Look, we're definitely coming back up to that level. How it deals with this resistance right here, all right, will be dependent on how we'll be able to trade that. So if we break above $42 a barrel, we're going to get to around about $53 a barrel. Test that level, then bounce off that, go back to 42, bounce off the support, and then head back up north to about $66 a barrel. So US oil is on the move right now. And how is that going to affect your trading? Well, it's going to affect your trading because US oil is going to put some strength in the Canadian currency. So if Canadian currency gets stronger, that means everything you're trading against the Canadian may see a weaker move against the Canadian dollar. So we'll check out that as well. Other than that, for this week, this is what we got going right now. All right, now listen here. This pretty much wraps up what we're going to be talking about in this session about the targets and the trading opportunities for this week as we move forward. Listen here, if you guys want to hang around for another 15 minutes, I'm going to be starting another live broadcast. I'll be talking about the weekly outlook and looking at technical analysis and connecting some trading opportunities that I think are going to be hot to focus on this week. And what am I looking for in order for me to be able to get in on those trades? It's all about pivot points, and this session is all about pivot points too. But I'm going to combine Fibonacci with pivot points and look to see if I can trade opportunities by looking for turning points in the market using pivot points as my turning points. Now, check it out. In the next 15 minutes, we'll be starting another live broadcast, and we'll be checking out that and it's going to be called the Weekly Outlook. So check out for that link as I go ahead and start that broadcast in about 15 minutes from now. Stick around, traders. For now, that's all we got for this session, and we'll see you in Friday's session as we review the week for the trading opportunities that we're currently holding in open positions. All right, traders, this is FX Big Dog, wishing you peace, joy, and successful trading. Cheers.